First, Kalia is the oldest, the sassy one with the fashion sense. Then Avery in the middle, defiant, but she keeps you smiling. Then Zoe's the little sister, a laugh that lights the whole room up. Together they're the Cass sisters, the Singleton girls.
TV, Cass TV. Kalia, Avery, Zoe, and Simpson. What's up, Daddies? I'm coming to you from my balcony. I am in the beautiful city of Miami. Oh my God, it's so pretty. You guys got to see. Isn't that beautiful? Anyways, my mom and daddy have taken me to the pool today. And I want you to come with me. My daddy has Avery. Look at her cute bathing suit.
Hi, Cassies. We're so excited. We're in the beautiful city of Miami, and we're getting ready to go to the pool, and we're going to have fun in the sun. Can you say fun in the sun?
We're going to have fun in the sun.
All right, let's do it. Bye.
Let's do this. Look at really cute bathing suit. She's sleeping. I remember when I was her age, I wore that same bathing suit. It's so cute on her. Okay, Caddies, let's go.
Hey.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
It is pretty. See, Kalia, it says pull this way.
Yeah. I see the pool now. So excited. Can you see it? Come here.
Oh, I see the pool. Look, and there's a slide over there too. Are you ready?
Hi. Oh my God, guys, that was so fun. Look at me. My face is wet. Oh my gosh. I want to feel great. I do this in my
Avery. Willy, Willy. We're having so much fun. We wish you guys were here.
We're all done at the pool. Now we're going to go to the beach.
Yay!
Yay! Look at all the sand.
Yeah. Come on, Avery.
Caddies, I'm playing in the sand.
Kalia and I, we're about to go get in the ocean and look at those waves. See those big waves, Kalia?
Yeah.
You and I, we're about to get in the waves. What is he doing? What is he doing? This thing almost knocked him. Oh, okay. Oh my God! Oh my God!
I'm at the beach now.
Woo!
Oh my God, it's so much fun.
Avery, y'all having fun playing with the toys?
See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.